Hello, this is Fluffy Gaming Deluxe in my very first test run. This will be my survival world, and I'm going to be fighting, and I've just started and I can't start in trees. So let's start every Minecraft survival with punching wood. You know, I've wondered, why do players have to punch wood? Why couldn't they punch stone at the start? How can players punch wood? Why am I asking so many questions? Anyway, I'm hoping later on in the series I'll be able to get a friend on, aka an alien made out of cheese, but friend nonetheless. Ta-da! Crafting table. Boom. And if I slot it down here, him, hip, 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 haha. This is not going to be my house. Because who lives in buildings like this? It's more like living in a box. But anyway. Ugh. So, if you're watching this video, I've either become really popular and everyone likes my videos, or you're just searching for a random YouTuber and you found this guy. So, yeah. If you saw while I was looking in my inventory, I am a cat person. I have cat ears, a cat tail, although you can't see my tail, which is slightly annoying, but hey, you got some. At least I've got something to roll with. So let's build it. Build, 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 smash. Build, 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 build. Ugh! There's always that one brick. And also, I'm sorry, little chicken, but I need food. And maybe or maybe not, some eggs. But yes, raw chicken. I'm not really hungry right now. So I plant a tree here and a tree here. Kitty cat time. Punching wood, punching wood. Punch. If you're using this as a survival guide, I'm going to tell you that I'm probably going to die on the first night. Everyone dies on the first night. It's just normal. Boom. Block. Blip, 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 boom. Bam. So, first I need a door. 3 doors. A little overkill, but okay, I'll take it. Yes, sticks. Now, if you're a Minecraft player already, you know what I'm trying to build. You understand why I'm trying to build it. Now, time to punch. Time to whack some stone. Whack. Whack. It's getting dark. Don't tell me 20 minutes is up already. Oh no, it's only been 4 minutes. Yeah, that's good to know. I'm not getting stranded out here in the middle of the darkness, if you understand what I mean. But I should probably see what my little valley's like. Yeah, not much to look at. Not much in the looks department, but at least it's something. Door. Boom. Now if I create a circle of cobblestone, no, you're not meant to be here. Oh yes, I get a furnace. Should probably make this into raw chicken. Into cooked chicken. Always cook your chicken, kids. it can save your life. But then again, you could be me. In which case, cooking chicken is very mean. But the chicken gave its life so I could have life. Oh. I've suddenly forgotten how hard wooden tools are. And how easy they break. I think I might be due for an upgrade. Wait, I just sacrificed my only stick to create an axe. But still. Actually, I am creating an axe. Boom. Cat axe. Once I find an anvil, I'm totally naming this the cat axe. But first I need to find coal. Boom. A boom boom. A boom 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 boom. Maybe I should meet my neighbors. Wonder who my neighbors are. Usually in Minecraft, players' neighbors are the undead. Which are frankly very annoying, because, you know, zombies as neighbors. Doesn't really help. I'm going to burn these two doors. There you go, there you go, furnace. Burn the trees instead. Yes, water and another chicken. And an egg. And an egg. Eggy! Now I can make an omelette. Wonder how you make an omelette. But first I'm going to need the powers to fight a dragon. Because you don't make omelettes simply by setting fire to the eggs. You have to have a dragon who sets fire to the eggs. That's how you make an omelette. At least that's how I think you make an omelette. But anyway, food item found. Oh, I know. Since I haven't found any torches, any coal I mean, I'm getting mixed up. I can make torches out of, wait for it, keep waiting. I can make torches out of other bricks. I still haven't got the name down yet though. Come on, cat brain, think. Nothing. Probably should go and find that chicken. I need more lunch. And also, I'm starting to get a little hungry. Ooh, piggy, 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 piggy. I'm not gonna hurt you, damn. Oh, sorry. I should probably actually build a dam. Yeah, that was what that random dam was. Do you think I would scream pig noises? Ooh, white dust came out from that chicken. Is that what they're made of? Ooh. But still, more eggs. Another pig. But more eggs. I'm gonna leave you guys alone with your eggs. Oh, cool. If I climb up here, my natural cat powers should allow me to see a forest. Woof, woof. Go, chicken, chicken, chicken. A snowy forest. Yes, a snowy forest. There I can find a dog. And a doggy is man's best friend. Well, me, it's half my best friend, half my worst enemy, because I'm half cat. But you get the idea. I can have it's getting kind of lonely. This is my first video. Ooh, I wonder if I'm gonna go mad. Oh, what is? Oh no! Nothing to look at. Nothing to look at. Nothing to look at. Enderman, Enderman, Enderman. Great. How? Now I'm starting to wonder how. When will it go away? And good, Mr. Slender. Slender's gone, which is a good thing. Definitely a good thing. Actually, completely a good thing. Very, very good thing. I'm sorry I need you. I'm sorry I'm gonna have to steal your things. I need your saplings. Give me your saplings. Oh yes, that's your sapling. I wonder if I'll ever make it to the end. I don't mean like the last episode, because where would I end on this series? Just so much to do. Build a cat bakery, build a parlor, build a bakery parlor. What am I talking about? I need to set this furnace ablazing. Yes. Burn, little guys, burn. Woo! This video is going well. What the? Already? I burned through those guys in seconds. Oh no. Don't tell me I have to sacrifice my wood. I've got sticks and charcoal. That can mean one thing. Torches! 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 Torch. Hey, hey, monsters, you can't spawn in my home. Ha ha, monsters, you can. Ooh. I should probably check my settings. So check options. Difficulty normal. Are you sure I unlocked the difficulty? No. Skin customization, don't need it. Done. If it's normal, where are all the zombies who usually go after your house on night 1? Alright. So yeah, 12 minutes into the vid. I am the predator! I'm mining at night time. This is like that video said not to do. You know, mine at night. If you haven't seen it, you definitely should. It's addictive. Well, addictive to cats, don't know about humans. Boom. That was silly. I just tried to break some of the wall with my torch. I'll probably, by the time I had broken that block, I'll probably have turned the torch into a stick with charcoal in the end. Strange. At least I've got my gear. Got a sword. Going home. Got a home. With some stone. Oh yeah. I'm making cat noises, cat noises. Meow. So yeah. This is probably what most episodes are going to be like. Me wandering around, mining. I notice most YouTubers don't include their mining. That's one of the most fun things. You could come across a cave system. Or even better, a diamond. You could come across a diamond in this. Then you could share the diamond with all your viewers. Actually, I don't think I can do that. But anyway, I'm going pretty well. Pretty well, so the kitty swell. As long as we don't swear, say any naughty words. This block looks different. And different, no good different as in a creepy. Neat different. Maybe if I smelt this. Oh yeah, I know. It's one of those new blocks I have absolutely no idea the name of. Yeah, that. If I keep this here, I've got it. Use this, and then, well, I'm good. Oh. My video might end soon. Someone put a timer on